Hey there, fellow health enthusiasts. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey to prioritize our health and brain. We'll explore the benefits of this supplement and share insights on why this must have in our daily routine. So get ready to revitalize your health journey with me as I unbox and uncover the power of this vitamins. I chose this brand for its high quality and potency. Let's see what else we have in store. Starting a vitamin regimen is just one step towards a healthier lifestyle. This is completely sealed. This is actually my third bottle of this product since it is effective to me. This product is imported from United States of America. I am planning to buy directly on their website since they ship internationally, but the shipping fee is expensive. So, I tried to search online and I found lots of resellers in Lazada. I chose the price that fits on my budget. The price varies on the expiration date, that's why this bottle is the lowest price I found in Lazada. This product can also be found in S&R. Since I am not a member at S&R, my only option is through online. This is the tablets look like. These tablets are easy to swallow and provide the daily dose I need to support brain health and focus. There is a fishy smell but does not affect the taste. This is not just for brain health, but it is also a multivitamins for immune system. For those who wants to know the other information, I focused the camera on the label which you can read it easily on this video. I'm excited to share this journey with all of you. Okay. Here's the feedback from someone like me who is using this product since 2022. When I started using this product, I noticed the improvement of my memory and my immune system. It works well to me. For those who are interested to buy this product in Lazada, I will provide the link in the description box. I highly recommend this product especially to college students for better brain focus and to old people who are in need of a memory booster. I am very particular when it comes to vitamins since memory booster is very important to me now that I am in my 40s. Before I finally purchased a vitamins, I always read the ingredients and other informations at the label. I'm excited to share this journey with all of you. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more updates. Enjoy reading the label. Let's proceed the unboxing to my newly purchased utensils and plate. I will also providing the link on where I buy this utensils. Just click the link and then place your order if you want one of these. Good quality at a very affordable price. I may not be born with a golden spoon in my mouth, but now I have a golden utensils. I am loving this. time, let's do the grocery haul. I ordered this in Foodpanda apps. As I scroll the app, I have seen the discount promos in PandaMart which are fit to my budget. Sometimes I consume some chips and soda in moderation, just to satisfy my cravings once in a while. I only consumed this while I am watching movies at Netflix. These items are on sale at PandaMart. I paid the total of 478 pesos inclusive of some charges. I also give a tip to Panda Rider for their good service. This ice cream is a bit pricey to me. I just want to try it, that's why I buy it.
Bag nut silog. Bacon silog.
Who loves Filipino foods? Bon appetit. Lunch and dinner.
Pork blood stew. Sinigang na maya fish. Jackfruit in coconut milk.
Let's eat.
Herbalife tea and biscuits. for afternoon snacks.
Thank you for watching and consider subscribing. Have a great day.